Ever found yourself caught short on cash between paychecks? Craving that new pair of sneakers, but payday feels miles away? You're not alone. Millions of us face this financial gap every month. But what if there was a way to access your earned income before your actual payday? Enter Beforepay. Beforepay is a revolutionary fintech company that allows you to get paid early. It's like getting a sneak peek at your paycheck, a financial lifeline for those unexpected expenses or that well-deserved treat. But who's behind this innovative solution? Who owns Beforepay? Beforepay is not owned by a traditional bank. It's an independent fintech company that has partnered with a select group of employers and financial institutions. These partnerships enable Beforepay to access your earned income data and provide you with early access to your wages. Here's how it generally works. You connect your bank account and employment information to the Beforepay app. Beforepay analyzes your employment data and determines how much of your earned income you can access early. You choose the amount you want to receive and receive it instantly. A small service fee is typically deducted from your early payment. So, while Beforepay isn't owned by a specific bank, it relies on strong partnerships with financial institutions to function. This collaborative approach allows Beforepay to offer a valuable service while adhering to relevant regulations and ensuring the safety and security of your financial data. Beforepay can offer several benefits. Financial flexibility. Accessing your earned income early provides you with greater control over your finances and helps you avoid late fees or overdraft charges. Improved cash flow. Early access to your income can help you better manage unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Reduced reliance on high-cost loans. By providing access to earned income, Beforepay can help you avoid relying on payday loans or other high-cost borrowing options. It's important to note that there are potential drawbacks to using early wage access services like Beforepay. Fees. Service fees can add up, impacting your overall savings. Potential for overspending. Easy access to funds can lead to overspending if not managed carefully. Impact on future earnings. Some argue that early wage access can lead to overspending and ultimately impact future earnings. Beforepay offers a compelling solution for those facing financial gaps between paychecks. However, it's crucial to understand how it works, evaluate the associated costs, and use it responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.